Since the pandemic, I haven't been running many errands. I'm having everything delivered. Speaking of delivering, if you could deliver a thumbs up to show you like this video, it would really help me out. This lets YouTube know that you like the video, and it can make a big difference. And as always, I appreciate your comments. Meaning of the English idiom, run an errand or run errands. To run an errand means to take a short trip, usually in a car, to buy something or complete some other simple task. To carry out an errand. Usage of idiom. Run an errand is a common phrase in English that is not always recognized as an idiom. To run an errand means to complete one specific errand. To run errands means to complete more than one. The errand referred to in running an errand is usually to go to a store to buy something. It can also mean to deliver something or retrieve something, such as from a friend. Going to the bank can also be referred to as running an errand. Another example is picking up one's laundry or dry cleaning from the laundry. An errand usually implies an activity of short duration, so when we run errands, we aren't traveling far. Of course, your perception of distance is relative to your environment. If you live in a rural area, for instance, an errand might necessitate a much longer drive than if you live in the city. You can also run errands for someone. Running errands for someone can refer to many different sorts of tasks that you do for someone else. Examples of use. I'm going to skip lunch because I've got to run a few errands. I may get back a bit later than usual. What are you doing today? Asked Aaron. Oh, I'm just going to run some errands and then do some house cleaning. I took this job because it seemed exciting, but all I do is run errands for my boss all day. I have a couple of errands to run, mostly to the grocery store and the bank. I'll call you later. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since at least the latter half of the 1700s. The word run in English has many senses and is used in a myriad of different ways. Here, run means to carry out or complete, but with the sense of traveling a short distance to do so. A similar phrase would be, I need to run to the store. It is often reported that the idiom run an errand is typically used in reference to carrying out an errand for someone else. There is no way to know if this is actually true, but in my own personal experience as a native speaker of American English, it does not seem to be, at least here in America.